Hey Rose, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, notification bell, and let's keep the family growing. Alright, let's keep the family growing. I'm being very fast today because I'm late for an appointment. I'm actually going to get my lashes done for the very first time. And so one of my mom friends started a business where she does lashes. So she said I can come and do one for free so she can get some pictures. And I'm like, I don't say no to free. So I am running out the door right now. So get my lashes done so that I can look so fly for my birthday. But I'm really late, so let's go. For some reason, my sunglasses keep melting in my car. I guess it's the Florida heat. Or maybe I should stop leaving my sunglasses in my car. One or the other. I don't know. But we are heading there now, driving. I don't know how this is going to go because this is my first time getting my lashes done. But I'm going to try to see if I can record anything to show you guys. If I can't, that's okay. We'll just see the after product. You guys already know what the before product looks like. It looks like, you know, that I ain't got no dang on lashes. Like, I ain't got no lashes. See that? See it? Alright. So now that you've seen it before, I can't wait to show you guys the after. All done. Look at that. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So I am at Home Depot. We're gonna go. So let's go. Guess where I'm at right now?
Shining like a diamond. I see people watching. Perfect hourglass timing. Good things come to those who wait.
Babies in the car. Two babies. So I'm going. I'm so excited. Oh, music. So I'm so excited. I'm going to take them home. One of them is going into my new dining space in that corner, and the other one, I don't know yet, but I'm gonna find a nice home for her. I'm so excited, so let's go home. So you girls finished what you started. Okay, so behind me is that wall that I did not finish painting because it's up there. But guess what I'm doing today, right now, as we speak. Boom! Boom! I already started. Little edging thing so I can reach the corners and paint them. I'm gonna go ahead and finish filling it in, and then I'm gonna fill in the middle, and then I'm gonna do the last coat, and then I'll be done. And then I'll be done. Son, press the button. And it gets on! I'm playing with the big stick. I'm playing with the big stick. How cool is that? Don't judge me. Let's get to painting. Now from the top, make it drop. That's the walk. That's the walk. Put a bucket in a mop. That's the walk. I'm talking about painting. What are you talking about? Look at that. All you see is white all the way to the top. But I'm not done. Honestly, it looks like a really cool effect in a way. But I'm not gonna leave it. I promise. I'm not gonna leave it. But having my stick got me all the way up. I'm all the way up. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way. Okay, I'll stop now.
10 o'clock. Feeling for the guap. I be beaming, losing balance. Yo, bitch falling on my yacht. They like, smell like genius. That's my Elon Musk. 10 o'clock, and it's PM. Being patient with my buzz. Yeah, you can't rock with us. I can't rock fitters. I don't cap with them. Yeah, lock you like a beaver. Yellow fellow, he just need a beamer. Or a chick like Rita. She wanna get wild. 10 o'clock, she bust it down. Showing me she with the bounce. I mean, she got me like, wow.
This morning, my son asked for a pizza for dinner, so I'm going to Aldi's to pick up this bomb pizza that they have that he loves. So now I'm in line picking up my son. I'm still just waiting for him to come in the car. Oh my gosh, look at his little legs running. Look at his little legs. Oh my gosh, my baby. So I guess we're gonna go home.
Okay.
Okay, and then we're gonna eat. You gonna eat? Your lollipop is gone? Did your lollipop fall? Oh no, baby. The lady at the line dropped his lollipop and they didn't pick it back up. So now we have to run into, we're at Walgreens to see if we can get him a lollipop. So yeah. Do you want to pick one of these? Or you want a different kind?
Alright, take care.
Which one do you want?
This one.
Okay, pick it up, whichever one you want. Yeah? Thank you. You too. Say bye.
Bye.
So I went ahead and I hung my art. This piece has literally been in every single room of my house so far. But I think I finally found a perfect spot. I actually really like it right here. Let me give you guys another angle. But I like it a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my chairs and set this room up a little bit more. Okay, so now I have the chairs here. So pretty. I'm going to go get the plant that I bought earlier, and I think I'm gonna put it in the corner right there. So let's see how that looks. How does that look? I think right there. Let's see, I think that looks good. Yes, I think that looks good. So I have to find a rug I like. I'm thinking maybe like a reddish, vintagey kind of rug. Maybe something that can play up that color or all the colors. And also I was thinking of sanding these down to match this color on the legs of the table. What do you guys think? But it also matches my stairs. So what do you guys think? Should I sand them down or leave them as is? They're I guess antique chairs. I can't believe I got these for free. Wow. For free.
Wow.
Look how cool, right?
Cool.
you guys think, if I should stand him down or leave him as is. I actually really like what I have so far, and it's perfect because I can still walk behind here. Y'all, I'm loving it so far. I'm loving it. I don't know if I should add anything else. It's very minimalist, that's for sure. Very minimalist. My tripod is just chilling right there. I have my gold mirror that I took out of the other room. Should I put it here or leave it? And should I get like a small short cabinet to put right here in order to like put my dining room stuff there, so I don't have to go all the way in the kitchen, like my tablecloths and different things that should be on hand. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. So here's an overview. This is the space I have. It's under the stairs, but it's a pretty wide space if I move my tripod. So maybe I can get something that's small and put it there, or should I just leave it empty? All right, so me and my son are going to have dinner because we have soccer practice later on today. So we're gonna use our new dining room. So my neighbor just came and she gave me these right here, these two plants for my birthday. I know this is an aloe plant. And what is this? What variation, like what is this plant? Comment down below and let me know what this is. It's propagated in water. And this little one right here. I am so excited. I think this is a trailing one. Hopefully one day she will let me give you guys a house tour of her plants. Her house is beautiful and her plants are beautiful. Anyways, we're late for soccer, so let's go. So I'm over here now at soccer. We're super late. But thank you so much for watching, and as always, may your lash game be as strong as your coffee game. Where are you going? Love your latte. Bye, boos.
There you go.